Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and here we've got Reset Network Settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So as you can see, those are separate options, but basically both works the same. So just tap on the option, tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock, and be aware because you cannot undo this action. So just tap on Reset Settings only if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this information. And the same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it, and here again we've got the information that we cannot undo this action. So just tap on Reset, and your device will reset networks successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.